Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make the foldable merry-go-round, and you can present it for the birthday wishes or any of the occasion. So it's completely foldable, you can see here. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get more creative videos. So now watch the video. I will be showing you step by step procedure. Friends, to make the merry-go-round, very first we need two identical cardboards and stick them together so that they will be easily foldable like this. And afterwards we need to make a pillars, side pillars and the center pillars, you can see here. Friends, we have a main center pillar and two side pillars are mounted besides the center pillar so that they get slide vertically in these slots. To fix the side pillars, you can use this kind of pins so that they can reciprocate vertically properly. So at various points we have used a ball pen refills in order to reduce the friction. Similarly, to mount the side pillars we have used a ball pen refills, you can see here. Two couple of ball pen refills have been used. So when they are engaged with a vertical slot, it is useful to reciprocate the side pillars vertically up and down during folding and unfolding. Now we need to make a rotating structure for mounting these horses. For that purpose we need to cut out a circular disc made up of cardboard and stick them with a tape so that it will be easy to fold and unfold. The circular disc is also having a various threads at various points in order to keep it in horizontal position during its operating condition. The circular disc is also having a vertical shaft and it is having a stopper at this point, which is useful for winding and unwinding the thread during operating. The shaft is also having a sharp point which rests at the base and rotates without any friction. The horses are having a strings tied to them so that when they are rotating they fly out like a real merry-go-round. The base is having a press button at this position and the sharp point rests on it, and it is useful to rotate the rotating structure freely without any friction. Guys, in this mechanism it's very important to understand the path of the thread. So one end of the thread is tucked on one side of the cardboard and then it is straight traveling in between the couple of ball pen refills. You can see here I have used couple of ball pen refills in order to reduce the friction, and then the same thread is traveling at the bottom. Here we have a two ball pen refills, one is for going and one is for the returning. So when it engages with the stopper, it returns back and passes from the same couple of ball pen refills at the top, and then it is stuck to the other side of the cardboard. Okay guys, after assembling all the parts, make sure that it is folding comfortably and the horses are okay in their places. So now we will see how to wind the thread around the vertical shaft. The vertical shaft which is having a stopper, so we need to take a thread and engage with the stopper and then rotate the vertical shaft in the opposite direction so that the horses can run in the right direction. For that we need to rotate the vertical shaft and lift the one side of the cardboard slightly so that it will be easy to wind the thread around the vertical shaft. After that we need to close the cardboard so that it is completely foldable. So now it's time to test the merry-go-round, which will give a real effect of merry-go-round. So we need to stretch the threads by applying equal amount of force on both the cardboard so that the thread around the vertical shaft can unwind and it will be useful for running the horses. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get more creative videos. So thank you guys, take care.